are the kids.
All right.
Oh my God.
Let's have a few cheers for the.
We made it.
Woo! Made
Wow,
it.
these are a lot better.
Let's see, Big Dave. Come on.
Go away.
There he is, Sleeping Beauty.
What should we do about menus? I mean, we didn't plan out.
Funny, I don't feel
We
like
can't eat then if you don't have a menu.
Good job, Snail.
Okay, you guys, let's plan out. What do we want to eat?
Let's see, Tony. How are things going in here?
Just
All right. What's your
I
name?
lost my calculator.
Oh my God, he lost his calculator. Well, it's freebie for us.
It's taping.
Okay.
Oh.
Turn it off. Slide the shutter up there.
Tape run with the red light. Oh, it's on.
And you are.
They'll count to 3 to 4.
You know that. Sure. He says, next. He set me down on the list. Full of snow. Traveling snow.
You did that? What'd you call him?
Dink.
To his face?
Picture of David, not me. Get this. Put on his head.
Got a little pepper. That is pretty special. Scan
Okay,
slow,
gang.
scan slow.
I am.
Scan slow.
I already did it once.
Wait, unscan. I'm blowing my nose.
Say anything profound.
Watch mine. I'm normal.
Did you get me? Did you get me?
Hey, Greg, what do you got to say? What do you got to say?
Okay.
Nothing? Wait a second. We don't have any snowfall in this picture.
Say hey, Tom.
Yeah.
Hey, you want me to get you?
Nah, that's okay.
Let me get your picture. Where y'all gonna go?
I don't know.
Dan.
Wait, get a close up on those leopard skin things over there.
What do you want us to do?
Where?
Right there on
Oh.
the big rock. Something that you did to the dude.